Look, look.
Here.
I am. Look. Now talking to the camera.
Hi, Mommy, how's your weekend going?
How is my weekend going?
Yeah.
It's going very good. How about you?
My weekend going.
Going what?
My weekend going. I got my heroes.
Your heroes.
Yes.
What about your heroes?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Who else?
Batman.
Batman. What else?
Superman.
Superman.
Bat.
Hmm?
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo?
Yes.
You like Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
You do. So what did you do this weekend? You played with all those superheroes?
Yes.
You did?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
I did Transformers.
Transformers.
Yes.
And what else?
I did flying.
Did you go do some shopping? Did you get some new shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mhm.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
You have some new shoes, right?
No.
And you got some new clothes?
No.
Yes, you did.
I don't.
You don't have them on, but you got some, right? Remember?
Huh?
We went to the store.
Ow.
Did we go out to eat yesterday?
Huh?
Didn't we go out to eat?
I said so.
Hmm?
I said so.
You think so?
Yeah.
You don't remember?
I'm not kidding.
Hmm?
I don't think so.
Can you see yourself?
No. No.
Yes.
Yes.
You see yourself now?
Really.
Hmm?
I'm driving.
Are you driving?
Yes. I'm driving.
Let me see. Oh,